Python, check if an object is not an array type. I'm looking for a way to test if an object is not of a list-ish type. That is, not only that the object is not iterable. For example, you can also run iter on a string, or on a simple object that implements iter, but that the object is not in the list family. I define the list family as list/tuple/set/frozen set, or anything that inherits from those. However, as there might be something that I'm missing, I would like to find a more general way than running is instance against all of those types. I thought of two possible ways to do it, but both seem somewhat awkward as they very much test against every possible list type, and I'm looking for a more general solution. First option. Second option. Is testing for the _iter_ attribute enough? Is there a better way for finding whether an object is not a list type? Thanks in advance. Edit. Quoted from comment to @Rosh_oxymoron solution. Thinking about the definition better now, I believe it would be more right to say that I need to find everything that is not array type in definition, but it can still be a string/other simple object. Checking against collections.iterable will still give me true for objects which implement the _iter_ method.
There is no term listish and there is no magic build in check _if _value _ is _an _instance _ of _some _ I _ don't _ know _ what _ set _ of _types. You solution with not is instance value, frozen set, list, set, tuple, is pretty good. It is clear and explicit.
There is no such family, it's not well defined, and naturally there's no way to check for it. The closest thing possible is an iterable that is not a string. You can test if the object for iterability and then explicitly check if it is a string. A better approach would be to always ask for an iterable object, and when you need to pass a single string s, pass s instead. The ability to pass a string is a feature, for example. If you special case string, you will break the ability to use your function with the most natural way to pass a collection of characters. Create inconsistency for user-defined string types and/or other containers that are string-ish. For example, array.array can represent a chunk of data, just like string. A string can be used to represent both a single piece of text and a collection of characters, and because of the second it is also listish.